Hey y'all, so today is all about how to clean our falsies using micellar water. So our falsies always end up having leftover glue, and I personally love to clean it this way because it's gentle on the lashes and it's just an easy process. Obviously the time will vary for this process because it depends on how much glue is glued up in those lashes. Okay, first things first, get yourself something that's angled or an angled surface and then let your tray rest on it so that your lashes are completely submerged. Get yourself a working space with an earbud and a cotton pad as well as a tweezer so that you can work really nicely with your falsies. I like to hold the one side of the lash and then kind of work out the glue using the earbud in the other hand. I like to get as much glue off as possible, so if I feel like it's not all off, I go and I put it back in and I proceed with another one. Wow, this is so satisfying. Look at all that glue coming off. Wonderful! Wow, I really didn't expect so much to come off. This is satisfying as hell. If you have some stubborn bits, then just take the lash and chuck it back into the water so that you can soften up the glue a little bit more. After 1 or 2 minutes, then you can take out the lash again. Wrap it around your finger lightly as I have done, holding it down with the thumb area so that you can nicely wipe it off with the earbud again. You can use your tweezer to help take off those extra stubborn bits. Please be gentle when you do this so that you don't rip the lashes apart. Okay, so once you have removed as much glue as possible and you're totally happy with your lash, you can set it aside. Oops. Look at that. Then you may proceed with another lash. And once you are done, you obviously set that lash aside too. Of course, when I place it into my tray, I make sure that it's put in such a way that I want it to dry in. The ends of this particular one are a little bit more glued up, so I think I'll let it sit longer in the micellar water. As for the other two, I will then take tissue paper and place it on top of the lash in the tray so that it can absorb all the excess micellar water and dry in the shape that I've now placed it. I forgot to show this step, but I'm sure you guys have a wild imagination and can totally picture what I'm saying. Okay, so then proceed to clean up your little working station, and then that's it, folks. Your lashes are clean, sparkling clean. Well, except for this one. Anywho, I hope that helped. Thanks guys, bye!